I am Amy Ndiaye, a senior at Benjamin Franklin High School in New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am a future mechanical and environmental engineer. I love engineering because it's not just about building structures. It's about developing solutions to societal needs through problem solving and the application of scientific and mathematical principles. I first discovered my love for researching solutions to real-world problems during my time on my school's FLL team in 7th grade. During my freshman year, I started building up my technical skills by learning CAD and CNC at a local community college. I found a love for STEM outreach after leading my first class at my SweetX Club STEM event. Being seen as a role model empowered me to begin increasing my involvement in STEM advocacy. My sophomore year, I was both treasurer of my SweetX Club and business lead of my robotics team. I continued to develop as an engineer as I learned how to manage funds and network with sponsors. By my junior year, my peers had acknowledged my passion for STEM advocacy and elected me as both SweetX Club co-president and as outreach director for my robotics team. As co-president, I led the organization and planning of our 3 outreach events for the year. With the platform of outreach director, I created new opportunities for my team to participate in, such as a STEM festival and 2 tours of STEM corporate facilities, exposing team members to career opportunities. I researched girls' involvement in STEM to create steps for communities and organizations to follow in order to dismantle STEM gender barriers. My research earned me the SweetX Northrop Grumman Award. I presented my findings with some peers to my school's board in order to raise awareness of SweetX and the importance of further developing internal STEM programs. My largest STEM project has been developing a VR program for individuals with autism to improve their social cue comprehension. This project tested both my programming and analytical skills. My project partner and I were chosen to present at INSEC, the world's largest modeling, simulation, and training event. As the current president of my SweetX Club, I am overseeing our online summer outreach events. Myself and my outreach chair were featured in the news because of our club's consistent outreach even throughout the pandemic. As president, I am also planning a panel on STEM bias and engineering majors with the Sweet Collegiate. As the current president of my robotics team, I worked with my team to create quarantine CAD classes and online robotics workshops spanning from outreach to programming to give rookie teams a push towards success. I am currently the co-chair of TechNOLA, an initiative in partnership with the nonprofit NOLA Code to provide high school students with a platform to lobby for STEM programs and teach block-based code. I have the privilege of being a founding community gardener at Sprout NOLA, where I have taught gardening and nutrition at kids camps. My advocacy for food equity and education has driven my desire to be an engineer in the environmental community as well. My journey with community partners and K-12 students to create the Louisiana STEM Leaders of Tomorrow has only grown my love and passion for STEM and my wish to become a mechanical and environmental engineer.